So you're welcome to the second part of the tutorial, where I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started importing your CAD to Revit architecture. So let's go into Revit architecture. So yeah, whenever you launch your Revit architecture, this is the first thing you see on your screen. So it's either you open your existing project from this side or you come to the new. So let's go to the new, and we create a project. We click on the architectural template, we'll click on the project here, and we'll click on OK. So Revit is going to show its interface. So the interface is just what you see next after clicking on the open. So it's just gonna open the interface. I have a video here which is just gonna be showing you guys how you can actually get started with the interface of Revit architecture. How you can actually get started with the interface. So this is what you actually see whenever you click on the open. So whenever you open Revit architecture, to import your CAD, you need to have set your CAD drawing into a separate folder, which I have done. So you actually come to this insert, you click on this insert set. So you have two option of importing a CAD into Revit. Is either you link the CAD or you import the CAD. If you guys actually know the differences between linking a CAD and importing a CAD, I want you to make sure you can actually just give me the tips in the comment section below. So I want you guys to make use of the import CAD, since what we want to do is to import the CAD into Revit architecture. So here we actually need to know the place we've saved the CAD. So I actually save it at my desktop. So on the desktop I save it as a new block. So I'm gonna be changing this to the WDG, which is just the drawing we've exported. This preview, you can actually leave it in preview or invert, but I just like viewing it with black and white. So I click on black and white. The layer, I want it to be visible in all. We go to auto dictate. You can leave it in auto dictate or you leave it in millimeter, depending on what you're working with. So I go with the millimeter and I click on the center side. So you click on the center side, and this place at is just where you actually want your CAD to be placed at. So you can go with the level one and you can just click on open. So Revit is going to do its thing by importing the CAD you've clicked on and importing it into Revit. So that is just the basic thing, and let's just wait before everything shows, and that is just how you can actually get started with Revit architecture. So in the third part of this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to create your walls in Revit architecture, so you can actually model these things up. So let's just do that. And mind you, before you can actually create your wall, you need to have created your levels. So that is just basically what we're gonna be doing. So let's go into the second part, and make sure you ask any question in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.